How to hide Instagram post from someone? In order to hide your Instagram post from someone, let me inform you that there is no any direct way to hide the Instagram post from someone directly. So the first thing you have to do is you have to go to profile at the bottom right corner, tap on three-line menu icon. Now on the settings and activity page, under who can see your content, select account privacy and turn on the private account button. Tap on OK. So first of all, you have to switch your professional account to the personal account. For that, go to three-line icon again and on the settings and activity page, go to creator tools and control. Now tap on switch account type and tap on switch to personal account. Again, tap on switch to personal account. Then after that, again tap on account privacy and turn on the button of private account. Tap on switch to private. So when your account is private, only the followers you approve can see what you share, including your photos or videos on hashtag and location pages and your followers and following list. After that, come back and go to chat icon at the top right corner. On this chat section, you have to select whom you want to hide the Instagram post from. You have to tap and hold the user ID, or you can open it, their chat. Once you open the chat, tap on the user or profile at the top of the screen and here tap on the three dots and tap on restrict. Now again select restrict account button at the bottom of the screen. Once you have done that, you have successfully hidden your Instagram post from this user. So that's how we easily hide Instagram posts from someone, by restricting them to see our Instagram post. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.